Good morning all. Welcome to the lab session of lab practice 1. Today we are going to learn about assignment number 4 on artificial intelligence and robotics. Problem statement for today's practical is to develop elementary chatbot for suggesting investment as per the customer's need. Learning objective: understanding of basic concept of chatbot and Python library for implementing the chatbot. Learning outcomes of this practical is students will able to understand and implement simple chatbot in Python using Python module Chatterbot. First, what is the chatbot? The term chatbot came in existing in 1994 when Michael Mauldin created his first chatbot named Julia. As per the Oxford Dictionary, a chatbot is defined as computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. It can be looked upon a virtual assistant that communicates with users via text messages and helps the business in getting close to their customers. It is a program designed to imitate the way humans communicate with each other. The chatbot helps any business in the following goals. First, increases the operational efficiency. Second, automating customers' request fulfillment, handling the basic queries, which in turn free employees to work for complex and higher value inquiries. Offer multi-language supports, saves time and efforts by the automating customer support, improves the responses rate as well as compute customers' engagement. These are the goals can be satisfied by using the chatbot in any business or organization. Mainly there are the three types of chatbot and they are as follow. Rule based chatbot. This is the basic chatbot made the user interact with this kind of bot by using predefined options. To get the answer from this bot, user need to click on certain options. Independent or keyword chatbots. These are the machine learning bots. Unlike the rule-based chatbot, they analyze what the user wants and respond appropriately. The last one is natural language processing or contextual chatbots. These are so far the most advanced chatbots. They are a combination of based from rule-based and keyword-based chatbots. These chatbots use natural language processing (NLP) to understand the context and intent in user request and thus act accordingly. These chatbots can handle multiple requests from the same user at ease. These are the types of chatbots. So implementation, we will take a step-by-step approach and break down the process of building Python chatbot. First step, prepare the dependencies. The first step in creating the chatbot in Python with Chatterbot library is to install the library on your machine. To do so, we have to write and execute this command in your Python terminal. You have to write the command pip install Chatterbot and second pip install Chatterbot corpus for the data analysis. These two libraries we have to install on your machine from Python terminal. For that, we have to execute these two commands. Now, second step, we have to import the classes. The importing classes is the second step in Python chatbot creation process. All you need to do is import two classes, chatbot from Chatterbot and list trainer from Chatterbot.trainers to train the data. To train the request, we are coming from the users. To do this, we can execute the following commands. From Chatterbot, import chatbot. From Chatterbot.trainers, import the list trainer. These two classes we have to import to implement the chatbot. Now, third process, create and train the chatbot. The chatbot you are creating will be an instance of the class chatbot. That's why first you have to create an object or instance of the class chatbot which we are imported from the library Chatterbot. After creating the new Chatterbot instance, we can train the bot to improve its performance. Training ensures that the bot has enough knowledge to get started with the specific responses to specific inputs. We have to execute the following command to create and train the chatbot. My_bot is the name we have given for the object or instance of the class chatbot. So, my_bot is equal to capital C chatbot in bracket name. Which name you are giving for the chatbot, that name you have to specify in the single quote. I am giving the name PyBot, comma, read only true. Then logic adapter chatterbot dot logic dot mathematical evolution in single quote, comma, chatterbot dot logic based match. This function will read the response from the users and it will perform the mathematical evolution and it will give the best match for that response. So, this is the function to implement and create to train the chatbot. So, last, communicate with the Python chatbot. To interact with your Python chatbot, we can use .getResponse. Means user will write a command, will write a message by the using function .getResponse. User can give the input from the console their message and it will our program, the chatbot object will run the one function .getResponse function. This is how it should look while communicating. Just see here, first print in bracket my_bot is the object. From that object you have to call the function getResponse. If you get the response high from the user, chatbot will reply, how do you do? For that reply, the user will get the response, I am feeling awesome today. For that, our chatbot gives the reply, excellent, glad to hear that. Then again, customer will give the, what's your name? So, it will reply, I am PyBot, because I have specified that name in the function where we create a chatbot name of PyBot. It will ask me the math question. For your practical, we have to ask the investment plan. So, here my name is PyBot and ask me the investment queries, or here I am as example I am asking the math question. So, ask me the math question please. So, user will ask, show me the Pythagoras theorem and it will give the formula a square plus b square equals c square. Then again, do you know the law of cosine? So, it will give the reply of the law of cosine. This is how chatbot communicate with the user by using chatterbot and using the function getResponse. I hope you have understood the basic of chatbot and basic of chatterbot library of Python to implement the chatbot. There are number of functions are available in chatterbot library that can be used to implement the chatbot in Python. Thank you all. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you all.